Transfection of eukaryotic cells is one of the most important technologies for studying gene expression in different tissues. Cells or cell lines of the tissue of interest are transfected with a certain gene or part of the gene. The gene of interest is most commonly cloned in a vector, and the resulting construct is proliferated in E. coli and then purified. The purified plasmid DNA can contain endotoxins from the bacterial cell, which are co-purified. These endotoxins can negatively influence the transfection of eukaryotic cells by decreasing the transfection efficiency, influencing the metabolism of the cells, and distorting the experimental results. What are endotoxins? Where are they located? And why do they have a toxic effect? Endotoxins are lipopolysaccharides, also known as LPS, and are located in the outer membrane of gram-negative bacteria. In humans, they stimulate an immunogenic response to a bacterial infection. Endotoxins are made of a highly conserved lipid part and a polysaccharide, as shown in the figure. The phospholipid on the right-hand side of the figure is the part responsible for the toxic effect. The polysaccharide, which you can see on the left-hand side, has structural functions. Why are endotoxins so important, and how do they influence eukaryotic cells? The effects are very complex and can vary significantly between different cells. One obvious effect is membrane damage. Since LPS is a membrane component, it can also interact with the structure of other membranes. This can affect the function of the membrane and can lead to morphological changes. Further interactions are due to the structural nature of the molecule. The phosphate groups of the inner core can interact with cationic proteins of the transfected cell, and the fatty acid chain can interact with lipid membranes and hydrophilic regions of proteins. Endotoxins can cause mitogenic effects by activating cell division of B cells, for example. And they can also inhibit cell division, depending on the origin of the endotoxin and the concentration. In relation to transfection, how sensitive are different cell lines? And how do they react to endotoxin exposure? The first rule of thumb is that permanent cell lines derived from carcinogenic sources are less sensitive than primary cells or cells in suspension. The difference between these two types is that permanent cells have undergone a high number of passages and are theoretically immortal. Primary cells are derived from fresh tissue and have gone through only a few passages. They are more differentiated than permanent cell lines and not as well characterized. Primary cells are very sensitive to endotoxins. The sensitivity of permanent cells can vary and depends on the cell type. Thank you for participating in this bench tutorial. We hope that you have found it useful.
QIAGEN.
Sample to inside.